Hi, my name is Mitch. I'm a teacher here at Sonic Yoga, and today we're going to learn about Sirsasna B, also known as tripod headstand. So from a standing position, I'll take my feet wide, and I like to start by measuring my ankles to about wrist distance. This feels and looks good. And I'll bring my hands to my hips, and I'll start to forward fold to a half flat back. When I reach a neutral spine, I'll go ahead and place my hands directly below my shoulders onto the ground. From here, to create a little bit more space, I'll widen my stance, and I'll continue to widen until I can bring the crown of my head, which I'll find here, directly on the ground in front of me. So now that the crown of my head is firmly in place in this equilateral formation, and I can see both palms clearly, I'll start pushing into my hands, and I'll push, and I'll push, and I'll push, until maybe my feet start to rise up. When you have arrived at the top, make sure the thighs are hugging in, and remember to engage the bandhas, Uddiyana Bandha and Mula Bandha. Make sure to breathe. When you're ready, spread the legs wide. And when you're about halfway down, start to internally rotate the thighs, pushing into the palms and slowly letting the heels reach the earth. Thank you so much. My name is Mitch. Hope to see you in studio and on the mat.